Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I have a new light here from Thrunite. They send me lots of lights to review. This is the Archer 1A. Now I done the Archer 2A, I believe it was, which had like 2 rechargeable AA's, but I'm sure this one, from the sounds of it, is going to have 1. Be a smaller light. So I have to ignore the wind outside. It's really blowing on my little shed here. Get this thing open. I guess I have to kind of tear the box up to get it open. Slide this out. So in the bottom here we have the manual. On the top here we have the light. Okay, so obviously what this light does is you just put a AA battery in it. Now you could put a rechargeable AA in it. This is the first light I've ever got from Thrunite that don't actually have a battery coming with it. But I'm sure the price is down there pretty cheap because of that. So you can see in here, contacts, looks like a space for a AA. Okay, so we have a AA here. I'm going to stick this thing in here, just a Energizer alkaline AA battery. That's it. So you can momentarily push this button to have your light momentarily come on, or if you click it, it comes on. So every time you turn it on, it comes on in the first time you turn it on being high like that. Next time you turn it on is in low. Or if you're in high, yeah, low, just like that. So pretty basic. It does have the double clip, which I like, because you can clip it this way or this way, which means you can slide this right on the bill of a hat like this with this one and use it for a hat light. Super simple, super cool. Let's check out the specs. So it says low power is 32 lumens and the battery will last 15 hours. High power is 312 lumens. The battery will last 64 minutes. So just a really basic light. Some people actually like these kind of lights because of it not being rechargeable. Because if you're out somewhere and your battery goes dead, you're out if you have no way to charge it. But you can carry extra AA's with you. And as long as you got AA's, you can just keep on going and still have a light. Okay, and it is dark out here tonight. There's some stars in the sky way up there, but no moon tonight. But check it out. It's low power on these trees. Not too bad. We'll turn around here to where the Jeep is. See the Jeep and the RV. Not bad. Now let's put this thing on high, because all you have on this, of course, is low and high. Turn it off, turn it back on, you're in the high now. Not too bad. Good little light for one AA. And like I said, the cool part about this light is you can just carry extra AA's with you, and instead of the battery going dead, throw another one in. You're good to go when it does go dead. So there we go. I will post a link to this below, guys, where you can check it out on Amazon. Thrunite makes many other lights, a lot of high-powered lights, USB rechargeable, LED lights, small lights, large lights, all kinds of them, and they're all on Amazon. Thank you all for watching. Woodsman Adventures. Catch you all in the next video. Right on.